every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.
Wis, mantap.
Hari ini kita mancing di dermaga Boddia, Boddia Galesong, Takalar. Di dermaganya, Om, kita pakai umpan udang hidup plus cumi-cumi, Om. Mudah-mudahan ada strike hari ini, Om, ya. Dibantu doanya. Oke, Om. Mancing pakai udang hidup, udang mati, cumi-cumi, semuanya lengkap. Sisa rezekinya mami, Omku.
4 kloter ke boncos.
Sudah 4 kloter katanya boncos.
4 kloter.
Itu sana Om Adi sama Om Ali juga.
Tunggu kloter
kepanasan.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?